Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Solve that homework example. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me that expansion of f of x is equal to e raised to x into sec x. F of x is equal to e raised to x into sec x. Who has solved this? Any one of you? Let us start. Y is equal to, either consider f of x or you can consider y. Now here I am taking that y because while I am taking that derivatives of this function, it will be easy to solve. Okay, so that's why I am taking this y. Y is equal to y in terms of x, that is y is equal to e raised to x into sec x. So here first derivative, differentiate this function with respect to x. We are getting that first derivative denoted by y1. Y1 is equal to, apply u into v rule. So here e raised to x into sec x as it is, plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of sec x. It is sec x tan x. Okay, but as we know that e raised to x into sec x is equal to y, so here we are putting e raised to x into sec x is equal to y plus y into tan x. Okay, again differentiate this y with respect to here it is y1. Second derivative we are getting that y2. Y2 is equal to derivative of y, that is y1, plus here we have y into tan x. So first we are taking derivative of y, that is y1 tan x as it is, plus y as it is, derivative of tan x, that is
6 square.
x. Okay, then again we are going to simplify this. It will be y1 plus y1 tan x plus y into sec square x, it can be put as 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so here y into sec square x, is it possible to convert in 1 plus tan x? I think there is no need to convert it. So put this sec square x as it is. Okay, again if you are going to differentiate this function, we are getting that third derivative y3 is equal to y1, derivative of y1, y2 plus y1 as it is, derivative of tan x, it is sec square x, plus derivative of y1, it is y2 into tan x, plus derivative of y, that is y1 into sec square x as it is, plus derivative y as it is, derivative of sec square x. What is the derivative of sec square x? 2 into 2 into sec x.
Sec x tan x.
Derivative of sec x, that
Tan
is sec x tan x, so it will be sec square x into tan x. Okay, after this we are not taking any derivative here because they have not mentioned up to this term you have to take derivative. Okay, and so on. Now put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Then we are getting that f of 0. F of 0, that is y at 0, is equal to the given function we have e raised to x into sec x. Put x is equal to 0. It is e raised to 0 into sec 0.
1.
Is 1, correct? Then second derivative, first derivative f dash at 0 is equal to y1 at 0 is equal to, here y1 y at 0 plus y at 0 into tan 0. So 1
1.
plus tan 0 is 0, so it is 0.
0.
It is equal to 1.
1.
Then f double dash at 0 is equal to y2 at 0 is equal to y2 at 0 is equal to y1 at 0 plus y1 at 0 into tan 0 plus y at 0 into sec 0. So what we are getting here? First term, that is 1 plus 0.
0 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Again here it is 1. It is equal to 2.
2.
Then third derivative at 0, which is equal to y3 at 0 is equal to, first y2 at 0, look at this, that is 2. Next, plus y1 at 0 into sec 0, again it is 1, plus y2 at 0, that is 2 into tan 0, it is 0, plus y1 at 0 into sec 0, that is 1, plus last term becomes 0. So
C.
it is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1, it is 4 and so on. Okay. Now, by Maclaurin series, f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x into f dash at 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash at 0 plus so on. Now here we have f of x, that is e raised to x into sec x, which is equal to f of 0, that is 1, plus x into f dash at 0, that is 1, plus x square by 2 factorial second derivative at 0, that is 2,
2.
plus x cube by 3 factorial into third derivative at 0, that is 4, plus 4.
So
Now simplify this, we get 1 plus x plus, look at this, x square by 2 factorial into 2. So it will be x square plus x cube divided by 3 factorial into 4. Means I am getting that here 3 into 2 into 1. So 2 x cube divided by 3 plus so on. Is it so? Answer आले सगळ्यांचं इथपर्यंत?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, what was the next example? Second example. I've given small that
Log
Raised to
bracket.
x.
f of x is equal to
E raised to x cos x.
is 2x cos x. Like this, na?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So let us solve this. The given function f of x is equal to e raised to x cos x. Now tell me the derivatives term by term. How we are taking the derivative? Who will tell me that? Go ahead.
X as it is minus cos x
Hmm.
minus sin x
Okay.
plus
First derivative. Just a minute. I am taking that first derivative. differentiate this function, we are getting that first derivative f of f dash of x is equal to e raised to x cos x as it is into
Yes.
derivative
Cos
of
x.
x cos x
Cos x.
X minus sin. Cos x
Cos
into
x.
1.
minus
X sin
Minus
x.
sin x
X sin x.
x sin x.
into x. Yes.
Okay, is it okay now? Cos
Yes,
x
ma'am.
minus x sin
Yes,
x.
ma'am.
Huh. Now second derivative f double dash at x is equal to taking derivative second derivative of given function. Here we are using that u into v rule. So first I am keeping e raised to x as it is, e raised to x cos x as it is. Now taking derivative of this bracket, derivative of cos x
Minus sin x.
minus sin
Minus
x
sin x.
minus. Again here we have to apply u into v rule.
U into v.
So it will be x as it is, derivative of sin x that is cos x
Cos x.
Minus sin x.
minus sin x. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Whether it is minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus.
Look at this. We have x sin x. Okay. Just I am keeping that u, v. So x as it is, derivative of sin x, cos x. Here already we have minus sign. Again it will be plus or minus?
Minus. Yes.
u into v rule मध्ये plus use करतोय की minus use
Plus.
करतोय?
Plus.
हा.
Plus.
Plus
बरं.
करतो.
इथं minus 1 into sin x as it is. So here we have a term minus sin x minus x cos x minus sin x. Okay. Next term plus हा bracket तसाच ठेवतोय derivative of e raised to x cos x. So it is e raised to x cos x into cos x minus x sin x into cos x minus x sin x. Okay. Now I am going to stop this procedure here only because after this it becomes somewhat complicated. That's why I'm keeping here only. Okay. Then after that put x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to e raised to x cos x, e raised to 0 cos 0,
1.
e raised to 0 which is equal to 1. Second derivative, first derivative at 0 is equal to परत या ठिकाणी 1 मिळेल ना पहिल्यांदा ह्या दोन्हीचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन
Yes, ma'am.
मल्टिप्लिकेशन sin 0 0 मिळतो म्हणजे आता या ठिकाणी परत फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह at 0 that will be 1 taking second derivative at 0 a 0 0 0 here 1 0 isn't it 1 0 0 0 मग सगळे 0 मिळतात म्हणजे फक्त इथं
1.
1 मिळेल
1.
and so on. Now by Maclaurin series we are taking therefore by expansion of Maclaurin series in powers of x f of x is equal to every time I am writing this series x into f dash at 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash at 0 plus so on. Okay. So here we have e raised to x cos x is equal to f of 0 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on.
So on.
Everywhere we are getting that at x is equal to 0, the value of all derivatives is equal to 1. Therefore, e raised to x cos x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. Okay. Now, what was the next one? Third one I have given.
Log 1 plus
log
sin x.
in bracket 1 plus sin x.
Of x is equal to log of
1 plus sin x.
1 plus sin x. In last lecture, we have solved log of 1 plus cos x. In same way, we are solving the next example. F of x is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. Consider the given function f of x, which is equal to log of 1 plus sin x. Okay. Differentiate this function with respect to x. We get f dash of x is equal to derivative of log of 1 plus sin x. 1
1 by
upon
1 plus sin x
1 plus
1 plus sin x into cos x.
Into cos x.
into
of sin x
minus
Cos x.
Cos x.
cos x first.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Hold on, please. Into cos x. So here we have f dash of x is equal to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. Now again differentiate this function with x. So what we are getting here?
1 plus sin
1 plus
x. Sin x into minus
Minus sin
sin
x.
x.
X. 1 plus sin x as it is, with this that is v, into derivative of u, that is minus sin x,
Minus sin x.
minus cos x
Cos,
Six.
cos x.
into cos.
into
cos x.
Cos x.
correct, divided by
1 plus
1
sin
plus
x.
sin
Sin
x
x
bracket square.
bracket square.
1 plus sin x bracket.
Bracket square.
Okay. Now we are going to simplify this term. First, we are taking that multiplication of these two brackets. It is minus sin x
Minus
Sin x plus minus
sin
minus
square x
sin square x.
minus sin square x
Minus
minus
cos x.
divided by
1 plus sin square.
minus
bracket square.
x bracket square. Correct. Then by taking minus sign common.
Minus common kaga.
Yes, correct. It will be minus. What we are getting here? Sin square plus cos square, that is 1. And in
1.
we have 1 plus sin x.
Minus sin x into 1.
1 plus sin x cancel होणार इथं. So minus 1 upon.
1 plus sin x.
1 plus sin x square.
Now tell me the third derivative.
Cos x divided by 1 plus sin x.
1 plus sin x.
1 plus
Bracket
sin
square.
x.
Yes, third derivative of given function equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Derivative of this function cos x
by
upon
1 plus sin square.
minus
Cos
cos x
x
upon
upon 1 plus
sin x.
sin x bracket square.
Go for next derivative. Fourth derivative of given function is equal to
1 plus sin x square
1 plus sin bracket square into derivative of cos x, that is
sin
sin
minus sin x
minus sin x minus
cos
Cos
cos x
Cos x.
it is
cos x
first I am taking that cos x as it is minus already minus
cos x.
plus होणार ना
Yes, ma'am.
bracket
2
derivative
2
of
in
plus sin x, that is cos x 2 into 1 plus
cos x.
cos x.
1 plus sin. Yes, ma'am.
1 plus sin x into 2 divided by 1 plus sin x bracket raised to 4. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये आपण जे टर्म्स कॅन्सल होतात ते कॅन्सल करूयात. पहिल्यांदा 1 प्लस साइन एक्स कॉमन घेतला न्यूमरेटर मधनं, तो कॅन्सल झाला. आता मायनसनी मल्टिप्लाय करूयात इथं. सो मायनस इंटू मायनस प्लस साइन एक्स प्लस cos square x into 2 divided by 1 plus sin x bracket raised to 3. ओके, आणि याच्यामध्ये 1 plus sin x राहिला. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनिट. Here one term I have to write equal to 1 plus sin x, isn't it? बरोबर आहे का? चेक करा आता. 1 plus sin x कॅन्सल झाला. इथली टर्म राहते 2 into cos square x, आणि याच्यामध्ये स्क्वेअर मधला एक टर्म कॅन्सल केलेला आहे आपण. सो 1 plus sin x into minus plus sin x. Okay, now after this we are not taking any derivative, directly we are आता याला सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं म्हणलं तर इथं cos square ला परत 1 plus sin square लिहू शकता तुम्ही. तर इथे 1 plus sin
Ma'am, sin x
पण गरज नाहीये त्याची.
multiply.
ठेवून टाकूयात. Now put x is equal to 0 in function and its derivative. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to
0.
0.
log of 1 plus sin 0.
Log 1, 0.
First derivative at 0. Yes, first derivative at 0.
1.
1.
Second derivative
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
minus 1.
third derivative
1.
small 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay, then fourth derivative. हा पहिला 0 मिळणार आहे तुम्हाला. सेकंड मध्ये इथे काय मिळेल? 1 मिळेल.
2.
1
2.
that is 2.
2.
2 divided by 1 plus 0. So it is 2 only.
2.
And so on. Now by Maclaurin series, expansion of log of 1 plus sin x. Expansion of log of 1 plus sin x is equal to f of 0, 0, x into f dash at 0, 1 plus x square
X square.
by 2 factorial into minus 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial into minus 1 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial into 2 plus so on. So finally we are getting the expansion of log of 1 plus sin x in powers of x is equal to x minus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus 2 into x raised to 4 by 4 factorial and so on. Okay, I have given 3 only. तीनच example दिले होते ना मी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now going for next example. Next one, expand in powers of x. Expand in powers of x e raised to x into sin x. E raised to x into sin x. Let us solve this. given function f of x is equal to e raised to x into sin x. Derivative of this function with respect to x, that is f dash of x, is equal to, apply u into v rule, e raised to x
E raised to x cos x
plus
Plus e
plus
raised to sin.
e raised to x sin x.
into sin x. Either you can consider this as y and you can solve it. Otherwise, if you are able to take derivatives term by term easily, then you can proceed with that only. Okay. Now, second derivative of this function f double dash at x is equal to, again apply u into v rule. So e raised to x into sin x
Minus sin x
plus
cos x e raised to x cos x
next plus e raised to x cos x plus e raised to x sin x. Okay. Now here we have minus e raised to x sin x and plus e raised to x sin x. Then these two terms will cancel. And remaining term is 2 into e raised to x cos x.
Cos x.
Okay. Now next derivative, third derivative, 2 constant e raised to x minus sin x
Minus sin x.
plus e raised to x cos x. Okay. Again going for next derivative, fourth derivative of given function is equal to 2 constant, taking derivative of this bracket, applying that u into v rule. So e raised to x into minus sin x. So it will be e raised to x into minus cos x plus e raised to x into minus sin x. For next, plus e raised to x into minus sin x plus e raised to x into cos x. Okay. Now here we have minus e raised to x into cos x and plus e raised to x into cos x, and remaining terms are e raised to x. That is minus e raised to x sin x minus e raised to x sin x. Means we have 2 times minus e raised to x sin x. So adding that, we get here minus 2 into 2, 4 e raised to x sin x and so on. आता इथे या ठिकाणी आपण पुढे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेऊ शकतो इझिली, इथे काहीच प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही. त्यामुळे तुम्ही फिफ्थ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सुद्धा घेऊ शकताय. ओके. आणि सपोज जर या ठिकाणी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टर्म्स असतील, त्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तुम्हाला घेता येत नसतील, तर तिथपर्यंत सोडून द्यायचं. क्वेश्चन मध्ये जर मेन्शन केला असेल अप टू एक्स रेस टू 4 अप टू एक्स रेस टू 6, देन यू हॅव टू टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह अप टू 6 टर्म. आणि इथे जर मेन्शन नसेल केलेलं तर तुम्ही अप टू फिफ्थ टर्म पर्यंत जर पॉसिबल असेल तर घेऊ शकताय. अदरवाइज सेकंड, थर्ड आणि फोर्थ पर्यंत तुम्ही थांबू शकताय. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्ही फिफ्थ टर्म घ्यायला काही प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही, कारण इथे कॉन्स्टंट एकच टर्म आहे ई रेस टू एक्स साइन एक्स, आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह परत मिळणार आहे आपला ई रेस टू एक्स कॉस एक्स ई रेस टू एक्स साइन एक्स. ओके. तर आता इथे मी फोर्थ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पर्यंत घेतलेला आहे, पुढे मी घेणार नाहीये इथं, कारण क्वेश्चन मध्ये तसं काही मेन्शन केलेलं नाहीये. Now tell me, by keeping x is equal to 0 in given function and its derivatives, so f of 0 is equal to
0.
it is 0. First derivative at 0, 1. Second derivative at 0,
2.
2.
third derivative at 0,
2.
again it is 2. Fourth derivative
Fourth derivative is equal to minus 2.
equal to
0.
and so on. Now taking expansion of e raised to x sin x by using Maclaurin series, 0 plus x into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial into 2 plus 0 and so on. So finally we are getting that expansion as x plus 2 into x square by 2 factorial plus 2 into x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. सगळ्यांना समजलं हे एक्झाम्पल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one, expand e raised to x into log of 1 plus x, or the same question can be asked as show that e raised to x into log of 1 plus x is equal to x plus x square by 2 factorial plus 2 into x cube divided by 3 factorial plus so on. Okay. Given function f of x is equal to e raised to x log of 1 plus x. Now here we have to show that x plus x square by 2 factorial plus 2 into x cube by 3 factorial and so on. Means up to third derivative we have to take. Derivative कुठेपर्यंत घ्यायचे? फक्त third derivative पर्यंत. Now first derivative of this function f dash of x is equal to, yes please, derivative of e raised to x into log of 1 plus x
E raised
by
to
using
x
u into v rule.
log 1 plus x. E raised to x upon 1 plus.
Yes, correct.
1 plus x.
पहिल्यांदा e raised to x in first ठेवला, sorry, e raised to derivative of e raised to x as it is, that is e raised to x, keeping log of 1 plus x plus
Plus e raised
e raised to x
E raised to x divided by 1 plus x.
and going for next derivative, second derivative is equal to, again apply u into v rule, it will be e raised to x into log of 1 plus x plus e raised to x divided by 1 plus x, next plus derivative of e raised to x divided by 1 plus x, so it
minus
will
e
be
raised to x.
plus
1 plus x into e raised to x.
डिरेक्टली इथे घेऊ शकता ना तुम्ही, मायनस या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला मायनस मिळेल आता इथं, मायनस e raised to x upon 1 plus
1
x
plus x
bracket.
square.
Okay. Now taking third derivative of this function is equal to, again here e raised to x into log of 1 plus x plus e raised to x divided by 1 plus x. Now going for e raised to x upon 1 plus x, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतोय. So it will be,
Minus e raised to x upon 1 plus x bracket square.
bracket square. Now taking derivative of next term, minus e raised to x upon 1 plus x bracket square.
E raised
Plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into 2.
E raised to x minus इथं बघा, e raised to x into log of 1 plus x plus e raised to x upon 1 plus x, e raised to x upon 1 plus x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus e raised to x upon 1 plus x bracket square येईल फक्त.
No, ma'am. X into e raised to x divided by 1 plus x.
एक टर्म राहते कोणती तरी. चेकआउट दॅट. पहिल्यांदा ही टर्म घेतली, that is e raised to x into log of 1 plus x plus e raised to x as it is derivative of log of 1 plus x, that is 1 plus x plus याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e raised to x upon 1 plus x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह बघा चुकतो इथं थोडासा.
Positive x e raised
हा इथं घेताना इथं टर्म कशी येते बघा, प्लस एक टर्म इथं प्लस e raised to x upon 1 plus x minus e raised to x upon
1 plus x.
ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर असे मिळेल आपल्याला.
Yes, ma'am.
नाव नेक्स्ट थर्ड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतोय आता इथं. थर्ड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e raised to x into log of 1 plus x plus e raised to x upon 1 plus x. हे कम्प्लीट झालं. आता नेक्स्ट याच्यासाठी घेतोय आता e raised to x upon 1 plus x साठी प्लस e raised to x upon 1 plus x minus e raised to x upon 1 plus x
bracket square.
next plus e raised to x upon 1 plus x minus terms बघा कशा येतात इथं minus x upon
1 plus x bracket square
minus
e raised to
x upon
1 plus
x ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस आता या ठिकाणी प्लस मिळेल, मायनस मायनस प्लस मिळेल 2 into e raised to x upon 1 plus x
bracket cube.
बघा चेक करा. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ह्या पद्धतीने मिळेल आपल्याला इथं. प्लीज चेक दॅट. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह समजलं प्रत्येकाला इथलं?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाव नेक्स्ट. आता याच्यानंतर मी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेणार नाहीये कारण अप टू थर्ड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दाखवलेला आपल्या इथं. And so on. Now put x is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to e raised to 0 into log of 1.
0.
0, correct. Next, first derivative at 0. हा पहिला टर्म 0 मिळेल, सेकंड टर्म मध्ये तुम्हाला 1 upon 1 मिळेल.
1.
1. Then second derivative at 0 is equal to second derivative at 0. Again it will be 1. And third
1.
derivative at 0 is equal to yes, third derivative at 0
2
बघा इथं फर्स्ट टर्म 0 मिळेल, सेकंड टर्म 1, थर्ड टर्म 1, 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. इथं हे दोन कॅन्सल, हे दोन कॅन्सल आणि इथं काय तर राहतं 2. So third derivative at 0 is equal to 2. Okay. Then by Maclaurin series, expansion of e raised to x into log of 1 plus x is equal to काय मिळेल सांगा आता इथं एक्सपान्शन f of 0 f of 0 that is 0 x into f dash at 0 1 plus x square by 2 factorial into 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial into 2 plus so on. So finally we are getting that expansion of e raised to x into log of 1 plus x is equal to x plus x square by 2 factorial plus 2 into x cube by 3 factorial and so on. Okay, and here the second question show that is also verified. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
एक्झाम्पल सगळ्यांना समजले?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For homework, this time giving here HW1. आता या ठिकाणी सगळ्यांना एक्सपांड करायचंय. इथे f of x इथे फक्त मी f of x is equal to a raised to x. Second example, log of 1 plus x झालेलं आहे, log of 1 plus tan x. f of x is equal to sec square x. Third example, f of x is equal to e raised to sin x. तीन example solve करा. ठीक है? Now after this, we are taking method of using standard series. याच्यामधला नेक्स्ट पार्ट आहे, नेक्स्ट बीट आहे. Expansion method of using standard series. ओके, आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण या टाइप मध्ये म्हणजे हे जे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करतोय आपण मेथड ऑफ युजिंग स्टँडर्ड सिरीज, म्हणजे आपल्याला आधीचे जेवढे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व्ह केले म्हणजे साइन एक्स चे एक्सपान्शन आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे, कॉस एक्स चे एक्सपान्शन माहिती पाहिजे, टॅन एक्स चे एक्सपान्शन माहिती पाहिजे, ई रेस टू एक्स चे एक्सपान्शन माहिती पाहिजे, ई रेस टू साइन एक्स चे एक्सपान्शन आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. मग आता माहिती पाहिजे म्हणजे काय, त्या सगळ्या सिरीज आपल्याला बाय हार्ट असायला हवेत. सो हिअर आय एम युजिंग दॅट स्टँडर्ड सिरीज मेथड टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, पहिलं एक्झाम्पल घेऊयात म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल एक्झॅक्टली आपण कसं सॉल्व्ह करतोय. एक्सपांड इन पॉवर्स ऑफ x in powers of x e raised to x sin x. The given function f of x is equal to e raised to x sin x. Okay. Now, in this function, let us consider x sin x is equal to y. या ठिकाणी z कन्सिडर करा किंवा अदर दॅन x कन्सिडर करू शकता. x sin x is equal to y कन्सिडर केलं. Therefore, I am getting that function f of x is equal to e raised to x sin x, that is e raised to y. And as we know that expansion of e raised to y, that is 1 plus, आपल्याला या ठिकाणी e raised to x चे एक्सपान्शन माहिती असायला पाहिजे. आता इथं मला ते बाय हार्ट आहे, e raised to y किंवा e raised to x चे एक्सपान्शन. सो 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial and so on. फक्त या ठिकाणी आता x च्या ऐवजी y आहे, सो इथं प्रत्येक ठिकाणी मी y घेणार. जस्ट मिनिट म्हणजे इथं मी तुम्हाला आधीच सांगते इथं मग आपण we know that e raised to x is equal to expansion of e raised to x. Therefore, e raised to y is equal to 1 plus y square by 2 factorial plus y cube by 3 factorial plus y raised to 4 by 4 factorial and so on. Now instead of that y, again we are keeping that x sin x. So here we have e raised to x sin x is equal to 1 plus, what is the y? X into sin x. X into sin x plus 1 upon 2 factorial into x sin x bracket square plus 1 upon 3 factorial x into sin x its cube plus so on. ओके, आता इथं आपल्याला sin x ची सेरीज आपल्याला माहिती असायला पाहिजे. What is the series of sin x? So again we can put that series here. So 1 plus x into, in bracket, the expansion of sin x, that will be x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on. Plus here it will be x square divided by 2 factorial into, again expansion of sin x, it's that is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on bracket square plus next x cube by 3 factorial into x cube by 3 factorial into, again expansion of sin x, so it is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on its cube plus so on. बघा इथं काय केलं आपण, the given function that is e raised to x sin x. Now we have considered x sin x is equal to y. Therefore, we are getting that function that is e raised to y. Okay, so e raised to y according to the expansion of e raised to x, that is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial and so on. Instead of that x, we have taken that y. So expansion of e raised to y is equal to 1 plus y square by 2 factorial plus y cube by 3 factorial plus so on. Again we have to substitute y is equal to x sin x, and after that we are using the series of sin x. So here e raised to x sin x, it can be written as 1 plus x into x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on plus x square by 2 factorial, इथला x square येणार. So x square बाहेर घेतला, x square divided by 2 factorial into, again series of that sin x its square plus x cube by 3 factorial, again series of sin x its cube and so on. Now we are going to equating the same terms first. So expansion of e raised to x sin x is equal to, look at this, how I am taking that, 1 plus x into in bracket hello so 1 plus x into first sin x, expansion of sin x, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on plus, I am taking only required terms, x square by 2 factorial into x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on, plus x cube by 3 factorial square in bracket x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial into so on, bracket cube. Okay. Now multiplying these terms. First term as it is 1 plus x into x square minus x into x cube x raised to 4 by 3 factorial plus x raised to 6 divided by 5 factorial and so on. इथं पहिली टर्म संपलेली आहे. आता परत याच्याने मल्टिप्लाय करतोय प्लस एक्स क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 2 फॅक्टोरियल. आता इथं एक्स आहे, एक्स स्क्वेअर राहिला म्हणजे आता ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर ज्यावेळेस आपण एक्सपान्शन घेतोय एखाद्या ब्रॅकेटचा, तर पहिल्यांदा ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर प्लस सी स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc असं येतं ना. सो आय एम टेकिंग दॅट एक्स स्क्वेअर. So x square into x square, it becomes x raised to 4 divided by 2 factorial. Then there is no need to take that extra terms. X raised to 3 raised to 2, it will be x raised to 6 and x raised to 2. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी x raised to 8 पर्यंत जाणार ना. मग ती टर्म घेणार
Yes, ma'am.
ती टर्म घेत नाही आता, फक्त मी x raised to 6 पर्यंत घेते. नेक्स्ट टर्म प्लस इथलं काय असणार आहे एक्स क्यूब आणि इथला एक्स क्यूब, म्हणजे इथं काय होईल एक्स क्यूब आणि एक्स क्यूब म्हणजे एक्स रेस टू 6 हा सो ऑन केला प्लस एक्स रेस टू 6 डिवायडेड बाय 3 फॅक्टोरियल अँड सो ऑन. म्हणजे आपल्याला जेवढे टर्म्स रिक्वायर्ड आहेत तेवढेच टर्म्स इथं आपण घेऊ शकतोय. सो 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस, आता इथं बघा x raised to 4 divided by 3 factorial आणि इथे x raised to 4 divided by 2 factorial आहे. काय येईल आता इथं
X raised to 4 by 3.
हा yes, it will be x raised to 4 divided by 3. Next term x raised to 6 divided by 5 factorial and x raised to 6 divided by 3 factorial. Next term काय मिळेल सांगा आता इथं प्लस
X raised to 6 by 20.
x raised to 6 divided by 120 and so on. म्हणजे मला जेवढे रिक्वायर्ड टर्म्स आहेत मी तेवढेच घेतलेले आहेत इथं. त्या पहिल्या सिरीज मधला फक्त 3 टर्म्स घेतलेत, सेकंड सिरीज मधला फक्त 1 टर्म घेतली आणि थर्ड सिरीज मध्ये सुद्धा मी फक्त 1 टर्म घेतलेली. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दॅट प्रॉब्लेम और व्हॉट एव्हर दॅट डिमांड ऑफ दॅट प्रॉब्लेम, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दॅट टर्म्स अँड वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दॅट एक्झाम्पल. हे प्रत्येकाला समजलं? The process is somewhat lengthy. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check your attendance. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 45 absent. Shushti Shete. 48, roll number 48.
Yes, ma'am.
How many days you were absent?
मॅम मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं ना फंक्शन आहेत म्हणून.
You have asked only for 2 days, na?
एक्झाम साठी 2 days सांगितलेले मी लेक्चर.
Before that, you have not attended any lectures, and after that also you have not attended lectures. So many lectures you have bunked. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54 absent. 45 and 54. Okay. For your ISC first, there are two chapters. First one is matrix and second one is successive differentiation. Already I have shared a link of MCQs in your teaching diary. Please look at that. We have videos, we have that PDF and all that material, whatever you require. Just check out that and solve that MCQs as well as that examples. Okay. Now I am going to wind up this meeting here only. Thank you all of you.